Okay, I had to do this one in honor of memory of my mom, Rachel's grandmother, whose favorite Disney movie of all time was Snow White. Because it came out when she was a little kid.
My prince
So we're opening this is the collection peek for Snow White and the Seven Dwarves. There's 8 exclusive figures, plus 1 mystery one.
Yes.
Will Grandma bless us and give us the mystery one? We will know as soon as we unwrap it. All right, how many doors do we have? Did Grandma get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Zoot. All right, let's get them open.
This is the double door.
Well, the bonus figure would be the prince, and we only have 8 bags here. So unless some sort of miracle we're missing a dwarf or Snow White, and we get the prince,
But that's okay, because you know what? You don't have to have a prince. You might be lucky to find one, but Snow White doesn't need a prince.
Well, yeah, and he doesn't really do much.
No, not now on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Number
4.
4. Actually, are these in order?
They are in order, yes.
Oh,
Here is one, lady.
Is one going to be
It's going to be Snow White.
Snow White? Oh.
All right, let's open it up.
Let's see.
It is!
Snow White. She just pops right out of the bag.
Woohoo!
Is 2 going to be my favorite dwarf, Dopey? I love Dopey.
Some of these don't have numbers.
That's 3.
Oh, we love a good.
All right, let's find. All right, Mama, open it up.
This one is... Boop. That is Sneezy. Oh, look at his eyes. Sneezy.
So cute. All right, Mama, go to the next one. Pick a bag. What you pick, Mama?
Number 6.
Okay.
Number 6 is...
Looks like Grumpy.
I think it is Grumpy.
It
Yeah,
is. He looks very grumpy.
He's holding a gem.
Thank you, lady.
From the mine.
Pick another
In the
one.
mine, in the mine, in the mine.
Hi ho.
Hi ho.
Hi ho. Hi ho. Happy is next for us.
He's
Here he
cute.
is.
Look, I like their eyes.
Yeah, I do too.
All day long, hi ho.
Hi ho. Hi ho. Hi ho. Who is it, Mama? Oh, it's Doc.
And we dig in the mine to hold it through. That's what we like to do.
Who's next? Is it Bashful or Sleepy?
I think Bashful.
No, Sleepy.
Sleepy.
Because he has a
Oh,
pillow.
Sleepy's really cute.
Oh, he's on the.
Look at him leaning. Look at he's
Aw.
really cute.
Like I'm in bed. I'm not getting up.
Now, Mom, the real question is, while you're opening the next one, could Hi, if Grandma was alive, gotten her to open these up? As soon as she saw they were Snow White, she probably would
yeah.
have. Be like, oh yeah, I'll open those. Up, and here's Bashful.
I like Bashful too. He's playing the accordion.
Yeah. And guess what? Who's last then, Mom? We got
Oh,
Dopey.
we hope.
Yeah, we hope.
I want Dopey. I don't care about Prince Florian. Oh! There's
Nice catch, Mama.
Dopey, and he's got the diamond eyes. So cute. And here are all of the dwarves. Look at how cute they are.